What is up, guys, and welcome to another one of our videos. In today's video, we're going to be going through the unboxing and setup of the Fitbit Charge 3. We're going to go ahead and show you exactly what the device comes with, and then we're going to show you how to set the device up both on your iPhone and on your Android. The setup process is pretty much the same. We're going to be walking through the setup process on an iPhone XS Max, and I'll show you also the setup process on a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, if you're finding us for the first time, we're a tech channel that focuses on how to use the current devices you have and also how to master the current devices that you're planning on purchasing. Now, if you enjoy videos like that, please go ahead and support our channel by hitting that subscribe button down below. And also, as always, share any thoughts, comments, or if you have any technical questions or just general questions about the Charge 3, go ahead and share those in the comment section as well. We'd be glad to answer them for you. Let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, so we were able to get the Charge 3 fully unboxed. This is everything that's going to come in the box. You're going to get the actual Charge 3 device itself. You're going to get a couple of bands. The bands are interchangeable. I will show you how to change those bands in 1 second. This is going to be the charger. It's a USB charger. It's actually a cradle, so you're going to match up these little prongs at the bottom here with the little prongs at the bottom here of the Charge 3, and it'll charge just fine. And then you have some instructions which no one ever reads. If you look at the bottom of the Charge 3, there are 2 little buttons here. You can just press the buttons in and pull the band right out. It snaps right in to place. And once it's in place, then it's good to go. It comes with some interchangeable bands. These bands might look familiar. If you ever saw the Fitbit Versa video we have, I'll link that down below. These are the Fitbit Versa bands that are pretty popular. It also has Fitbit Pay that's built in, so you can actually make payments with the watch itself. Now let's get this set up to the phone so you know exactly what to expect during the setup process. Great, now in order to set this up to your phone, just a couple of things you want to make sure. You want to make sure that your Bluetooth on the phone is on. You want to make sure that the actual Charge 3 itself is on and ready to be connected. All right, so the next thing you want to do is go into your app store, and from the app store you're going to want to download the Fitbit app. Now, I've already downloaded the app on the phone itself. You're just going to go through the regular download process. Then you open the app up. Now, once you've logged in using your Fitbit account, or if you don't have a Fitbit account, you can go ahead and create one on the main page. You're going to be brought to this particular dashboard. This dashboard gives you some different fitness readings on your exercise, your water intake, and things of that nature. Now, in order to set up the Charge 3, you're going to go into this little area on top, and you're just going to go to add device. There's a bunch of different Fitbit options. You're just going to select the Charge 3, and then you're just going to hit the setup button right at the bottom. Now it's going to have you scroll through some information. You're going to hit the accept box on the bottom. It's showing you exactly how to charge your Charge 3 with this little animation. Once you hit next, it's going to start searching for the Charge 3. And again, remember to make sure your Bluetooth is on so it can detect it. It was able to find the tracker, and now it's connecting to the tracker itself. This can take a couple of minutes. Now, once it's detected, it's going to display some numbers across the Charge 3. You just punch those numbers in, and then it's going to finish the connection. And then once it's fully connected, it's going to tell you that there's an update available, which is usually the case. So you can go ahead and update the Charge 3 from here. And then that download is going to take place here. And then once it's fully downloaded, the Charge 3 will be up and running. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like when it's completed. Now, to connect it to an Android phone, all you're going to do is from the Android store itself, you're going to go and search and download the Fitbit app. And once that app is downloaded, you're just going to open it up. It's going to give you the option to either join, which is create a new account if you don't already have one, or log in with your current existing account if you already have one. I already have a Fitbit account, so I'm just going to choose login. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to request some location permissions. You can go ahead and grant those. And then it's going to bring you into your Fitbit dashboard. I already have the Charge 3 connected to my account because I did it on the iPhone earlier, but I'll show you exactly how to do the setup in an Android. Through this dashboard, you're going to have your little card on top here. If you press that, then you could go in and add the device here. And then once you're in that add the device screen, it's going to bring up all the available devices that you can add. At that point, you would select your Charge 3, and then it would give you the option to search. Now you make sure that your Bluetooth is on. As long as your Bluetooth is on and the Charge 3 is close by, the phone will detect that the Charge 3 is there, and then it'll take you through the different setup windows. And once the setup windows is done, it'll tell you that the Charge 3 is disconnected and needs to be updated. So that's how to set it up on the Android phone. Once the Charge 3 is fully downloaded, I'll show you exactly what it looks like when it's up and running. Alright guys, so the download has been completed. The watch itself is up and running. The touchscreen functions beautifully. We're going to go over some of the features and benefits of this watch in later videos. Just to go over the watch itself, you have the touchscreen here that's fully capable of just interacting with it via finger. Around the back, you have these sensors, and these are the sensors that once connected to your hand are going to track like your heart rate, your steps per day, and things of that nature. And then you also have the recessed touch sensor here. So this is not an actual physical button, it's a touch sensor. So if you were to just go and squeeze in, you feel the watch vibrate, and then that is basically going to act as your button. All right guys, so that's going to do it for our unboxing and setup of the Fitbit Charge 3. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below the video to support the channel. We definitely would appreciate it. Also, if you have any questions about the watch itself, technical or non-technical, please go ahead and share those in the comment section down below. We'll be glad to answer any questions you guys may have. Thank you again so much for checking out the video, and until next time, peace out.